Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change from screen lock pattern password to alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, I show my screen lock pattern password. Lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your current password, that is here screen lock pattern password is set. In my case, this is screen lock pattern password. I would like to change this pattern to alphanumeric password. So what I would do is just follow this video. Just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to security here, and then click on screen lock. And now your tablet will ask you to enter your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and give it. Now here you have to choose password and type a password of your choice. Here just I would like to type Tasia 2024 and click on next. Again you go to type the same alphanumeric password to verify. So type same letters and numbers. Tasia 2024. Click on confirm. Yes. Now pattern has been changed to alphanumeric password. Okay. Now lock your tablet and try to unlock. Now it will ask alphanumeric password. It will not ask pattern because it has been changed. So you have to give your new alphanumeric password Tasia 2024. Click on the tick mark. Yes, it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily change from pattern lock screen password to alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.